Home organization tips. In this day and age, it can be hard to keep your home organized and tidy. With busy lives and hectic schedules, it can seem like an impossible task. But it doesn't have to be. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep your home organized and looking its best. Create a cleaning schedule. One of the most important things you can do to keep your home organized is to create a cleaning schedule. This should include tasks like vacuuming, dusting, and mopping. You should also include tasks like wiping down surfaces and cleaning bathrooms. Having a schedule will help ensure that you stay on top of your cleaning tasks and your home stays organized. Declutter. Decluttering is an important part of any home organization plan. Take a few minutes every day to go through your home and get rid of any items that you no longer need. This can be anything from old clothes to expired food. When you're done, make sure to put the items in the trash or donate them to charity. Set up a storage system. Having a storage system in place is key to keeping your home organized. You should have a designated place to store items like clothes, books, and toys. This will make it easier to find things when you need them and will help keep your home looking neat and tidy. Utilize vertical space. Don't forget to utilize vertical space when organizing your home. Shelves and cabinets can be great for storing items like books, DVDs, and other items. You can also use over-the-door organizers for items like shoes, hats, and scarves. Have a place for everything. Having a designated place for everything will make it easier to keep your home organized. Make sure you have a place to store items like keys, mail, and paperwork. You should also have a place for items like purses and coats. Take time to clean up. Finally, make sure you take the time to clean up after yourself. This includes putting away dishes after meals, vacuuming, and wiping down surfaces. Taking the time to clean up will help keep your home looking neat and tidy and help you stay organized. Organizing your home can seem like an overwhelming task, but it doesn't have to be. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep your home looking its best and make sure it stays organized. Start by creating a cleaning schedule, decluttering, and setting up a storage system. You should also utilize vertical space and have a place for everything. Finally, make sure you take the time to clean up after yourself. With these tips, you can keep your home organized and looking its best.